Does your washer show an OE error code? How to troubleshoot the OE error is demonstrated in this video. The OE error indicates whether the drain hose is clogged or whether the pump is malfunctioning. Make sure the drain hose of the washer is not bent or twisted. If the hose is bent or twisted, straighten it properly. Make sure the drain pump filter is clean. Pull the drain filter cover off and remove the drain filter. Drain any remaining water from the filter before removing it. Take the filter drain pump out and open the cap. Pour the remaining water into a bowl. After all the water has been drained, lock the pump with the cap and fix it back in place. Remove the drain filter by turning it counterclockwise. Check if the filter is blocked with coins, buttons, or other obstructions. Under running water, clean the filter with a small brush. The drain filter should be placed back in the machine and the lid should be closed.